If they continue down this path of manipulating the constitution, aligning the party, and treating state institutions as personal property, there will be consequences. Zvine Ropa Mukati. Zabira mashoko budanyoka panguva ino zvichionekwa kunzi avo magenerals ajamuka the treatment iri kuitwa nezvigananda ava towards ma-institutions enyika yeZimbabwe, the constitution pamwe chete nema-parties. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tibina paendo ya retired Winston's Mapranga Mdanyira Chiti. The people of Zimbabwe are not as silent yet to be driven in any direction you choose. They remember 2008, they remember 2017, and they understand that when power is abused, the price is always paid in blood, in livelihoods, and in national dignity. You cannot indefinitely silence dissent, rig institutions, and rewrite the rules to keep yourselves in office without provoking a backlash. That backlash may not come from the barracks alone. It may come from the streets, from the courts, and from the very structures we have hollowed out. The warning from General Chiwenga is not just a private factional threat. It is a reflection of the anger that is already brewing within the establishment and beyond. If you persist in this way, do not be surprised when the consequences arrive, not as a miracle of your own making, but as the unavoidable result of your stubbornness, your greed, and your contempt for the Constitution and the people it was meant to protect. Retired Lieutenant General Winston's Mapranga. The developments are kuda panguva ino achiudzwa kuzvigananda after a recent speech yaitwa naVP Kosano Chiwenga. Since yes, panguva ino they can do whatsoever they want, but they must remember kuti chinhu ichi chakarwirwa pane ropa rakadeuka, so they must not temper around the constitution, my institutions, mavhotsi evanhu pamwe chete their own party. Pena comment section medu kuti mafungiro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, punch it on the bell icon.